250 has an easily adjustable side chain tensioner using the tool that's included in the kit. Now basically you just need to loosen both of the nuts, hold the nose of the bar up, rotate the adjuster screw to remove any sag from the bottom of the chain, then tighten both nuts again, and lastly check that the chain runs freely along the bar, and it is that simple. It's also got an
That guy's name is Grant Burton. He's got a YouTube channel, and he goes through a whole explanation of 15 minutes about the chainsaw. I borrowed a chainsaw, and I don't have that tool that he has, and he makes it look awful easy, but I'm going to go out and we're going to try to tighten the chain, because the chain got a little stuck yesterday when I was using it, and there's some give to it. So I'm a computer guy. I don't chainsaw. I'm not a lumberjack. My last name is not Bunyan, and I don't have a Blue Ox name, babe. All right, so here's the chainsaw. It's very windy out here. And then, as you can see, there's some give. So I don't have the tool for this, so I brought up all these rat shits. See if I can find one that fits. I actually did a video on this tool organizer. So if you're interested in, this is just one piece of the tool organizer that I did a video on. So if you're interested in it, seek out that video. So as you can see, the chain is loose, and I just need to tighten that to proceed. And I don't have the tool that goes with this that was shown in the other video. So I need to find a bit that fits that, hopefully. And I think I found it already. I just need the cranky thingy dingy tool. This is the cranky thingy dingy tool, which I don't know what it's called. The ratchet tool. Find it smaller. Loosey, righty tighty. I think that's going the wrong way. Alright, so we're loosening this one. Loosen this one. Alright, so we get those both loose. I think this thing's been loose forever. We gotta find a screwdriver. Tighten this thing up. You're gonna have to take it all off. Just loosen it up. My fingers are too small to get into this. Ooh. Alright, tighten up a little bit. Alright, don't tighten it too much. Just make sure she's got give. And tighten this up again. So I wouldn't tighten it too tight. And she's got give, as you can see, and that's how you do it without that tool. All right. So that's to tighten it up. Now, if you want to add gas to it, so here's your gas, and is that gas? Wait a minute. Yeah, that's the gas. Okay, it's got the little gas pump on it. I had to check because it's upside down. And then this is the oil. So it's a gas mixture. So basically what I do is just, if you can just pull up on this thing and then just turn it and it comes right out. It's fairly simple. You might want to get yourself one of these, unless you're a really good pourer. I'm not necessarily the best pourer in the world, so I'll give myself a little comfort with the funnel. And now let's put some gas in it. Fill it up. Okay, it doesn't take a lot to fill it up. As you can see, it didn't take me very long. It lasts a pretty long time. Ground for now. So we'll just make sure. Oops. It's the bloopers. It's the blooper section of the video. It's kind of windy out here. I don't know if my camera's gonna fall or not. So that's done in that. Just find the lip in it and just twirl it. You don't have to twirl it too tight. And this closes. There we go. It wasn't twisted far enough. Same with this deal here. This is the oil. So each time, and there's actually quite a bit of oil in there, so I'm not gonna. Always check it when you're filling up your gas. Check the oil. Just make sure. My girlfriend gave me this shirt for my birthday, so I don't want to wipe oil on it. So I'm wiping oil on my just my skin on my legs. All right, so that's all set. It's gassed and it's got oil in it, and we tighten the chain, so we're all ready to go. So on the back here, we're just going to flip this down. Just flip it down once, so it will be a 0 will not be the choke. If you flip it down, then it's like an I, or it's like a Roman numeral 1 actually. And that's all ready. All right, make sure it's your back. It takes a little bit to get it started, just for the gas to get in and get her powering. So it might take a couple times. So I'll just flip this down. That's it, guys and gals. Just make sure I don't have them, so it's kind of a do as I say, not as I do here. I do have them. They're just up at the house. I just wanted to cut that one piece. Just make sure you always have safety glasses on, and you do yourself well to have a pair of gloves.